Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. I have a beautiful red snapper fish today. Actually, it's only half of the fish. This fish is quite big. I think maybe coming to 1.8 kg. So I requested the seller to butterfly cut it to me so it become 2 pieces. So this is one of the piece. I'm going to steam it and then I'm going to do some Teochew style of steaming. Yeah, let's quickly go through what are the ingredients we need. Of course, prep the fish first. Make few slits on the fish body, put some ginger on top, and then sprinkle it with a little bit of salt. Then we have some, this is giam chai, yeah, pickled veggie, some ginger, and also some chili. I don't have big chili today. Actually, it's better to use a big chili. The small chili padi can be spicy, so I actually deseed the chili padi, and I'll probably only put it towards the end. And I have to add more flavor to it. I have some pork lard here, and this is the sour plum. Heat up your steamer to 100 degrees Celsius. Put in the fish in the middle and steam it for approximately 10 minutes. Get ready a wok or the pan. I'm going to put in the pork lard. If you don't have pork lard, just use vegetable oil. Yeah. Once the pork lard is heated up, oh, still have some pork lard here. Don't waste. We can then put in the pickled veggie, the giam chai. Yeah. Let's saute it for a bit. Anything that is fermented usually have a little bit of earthy smell. So by sauteing it with some oil, it will help to remove the earthy flavor. Ginger. I'm not putting in the chili first because I'm using chili padi today. I will put in only towards the end, yeah? Wow, very fragrant. Now I'm going to add in some filtered hot water. The sour plum together with the sauce. The sauce is very sourish, yeah? Now I'm going to give it a little bit of fine salt, a bit of fine sugar, a bit of fish sauce. Let's boil this for probably about 1 minute, then it is basically done. You can put in my Cooking Appa chicken salt powder if you like, yeah? If you ask me, it's optional. This is after about 1 minute. I'm going to put in the chili padi and off the fire. Basically, our Teochew style steamed fish sauce is ready. Let's just wait for the fish. This is after 10 minutes steaming. Wow. Ooh, look at the beautiful whitish color of the fish. It's definitely ready, and you see a lot of fishy water there. I'm going to remove the fishy water because that is the source of fishiness, okay? Now we can actually take out the fish. Beautiful, look at this. Look at this. So here's the steamed beautiful red snapper after steam, and then I have removed the fishy water. Then we will bundle the sauce all over it. If you have some fresh coriander, you can put it on top. Alright, so I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.